I'm so glad you're here today. Have you ever felt like your life is just completely falling apart? Like you've hit rock bottom and there's no way out? I've been there, and I know how heavy that feels. But what if I told you that in just 7 minutes you could start turning your life around? That's exactly what I did, and I'm here to share my story with you. If this resonates with you, stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started on this journey together. A couple of years ago, my life was a total mess. I had just gone through a breakup that left me heartbroken. I was stuck in a dead-end job I hated, and I felt so disconnected from everyone around me, even my closest friends. I remember sitting in my tiny apartment scrolling through social media, watching everyone else live these perfect lives while I felt like a failure. I'd ask myself over and over, how did I end up here? What did I do wrong? One night, I hit my breaking point. I was crying on the floor, surrounded by empty coffee cups and unpaid bills, thinking, this can't be it. I can't keep living like this. That was the moment I knew I had to change, but I had no idea where to start. So I decided to take one small step. I told myself, I'm going to find a way to fix this, no matter how long it takes. Little did I know that one decision would change everything. At first, I thought I needed to make these big, dramatic changes to fix my life. Like quitting my job on a whim or moving to a new city. But every time I tried something big, I just end up feeling more overwhelmed and defeated. Then one day, I stumbled across an old journal I used to keep in college. Flipping through the pages, I saw how I used to write down little things that made me happy. Like, saw a cute dog on my walk today, or finally nailed that recipe I've been trying. It hit me. I didn't need to fix everything all at once. I just needed to start small. So I made a promise to myself. Every morning, I'd spend 5 minutes writing down 3 things I was grateful for. It could be as simple as I'm grateful for my cozy blanket, or I'm grateful I got out of bed today. At first, it felt silly, but after a week, I noticed something. I was starting to feel lighter. That small habit gave me the courage to take more steps. I started saying no to things that drained me, like toxic friendships. I signed up for a yoga class I'd always wanted to try, and slowly I began to feel like I was taking control of my life again. Not all at once, but one tiny step at a time. Looking back, I realized that turning my life around didn't take some huge, magical moment. It was about those small, consistent steps. And I want to share 3 of those steps with you today so you can start your own journey. Step 1. Start your day with gratitude. Take just 5 minutes every morning to write down 3 things you're thankful for. It could be your morning coffee, a kind text from a friend, or even the fact that you're still here, trying. This habit rewires your brain to focus on the good, even when life feels heavy. Step 2. Stop chasing perfection. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. Give yourself permission to be messy, to make mistakes, to just be human. I started telling myself, I'm doing my best, and that's enough. And it made such a difference. Step 3. Take one small action towards something you've been avoiding. Maybe it's sending that job application, having that tough conversation, or even just cleaning your desk. Pick one thing, do it, and celebrate the win, no matter how small. Those little victories build momentum, and before you know it, your life starts to shift. So that's my story. How I went from feeling like my life was over to finding my way back, one small step at a time. I hope it inspired you to believe that you can turn your life around too. What's one small step you're going to take today to start rebuilding your life? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more stories and tips on growing through life's challenges. Share it with someone who might need a little encouragement today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Growing G. Keep growing, keep healing, you've got this. Star.